We are here at SIMA 2021 and we have the gorgeous Akshaya with us. Hi Akshaya!
Hello.
Welcome to SIMA 2021.
Thank you so much.
And you look stunning today. The red carpet is like full on red, full on hot once you came inside. So tell us about the look. How did you style yourself?
So I'm wearing a Gaurav Gupta
Mm-hmm.
and I love this dress.
Yeah.
I always wanted to wear something exuberant after COVID. So I
Yeah.
was like, I wanted to wear something that's just
And
amazing.
it's absolutely stunning. We all love it. And coming back to this SIMA 2021, it's happening after 2 years.
After
and
2 years.
Yeah, and we all missed SIMA so much.
So much.
No?
Exactly.
So, yeah, how excited are you?
I'm very excited because it's come. It's come after 2 years, and we were just waiting since 2 years for it to happen. So now that it's here, we're just like living in the moment and just enjoying every moment.
So, what are you looking forward tonight? What is the first thing you want to do tonight?
For me, the first thing I want to do is just no first thing, just live in the moment. I love every moment, especially there's nothing like better than
Okay,
attending.
and I believe that you are going to debuting very soon in Tamil and Telugu, both the big industries. So, how's that feel for you?
It's amazing because I've just finished my studies and I'm currently just grooming towards it. I'm just so positive and affirmative about what's going to happen with me. I'm just so excited. So yes.
So, all the very best. Thank you so much for coming, and please, pleasure having you here. Please enjoy SIMA
you.
2021.
Thank you.
Oh my god, just look at the red carpet and just look at who is next to me. She is a diva, Neeta Lulla. I'm so excited and it is a fangirl moment for me to interview you, ma'am. And welcome to SIMA 2021.
Thank you so much.
You're looking absolutely gorgeous, ma'am. Can you please tell me about your look?
It's a permanently pleated cocktail gown, so yeah, as comfortable as one can get for an award function like this.
Exactly, and just I have heard that celebrities are going to wear your design dress. So can you please tell us some clue about that?
So Lakshmi Manchu, who is hosting today, is wearing a gown by me. There is Dev Mohan from the Sufi Sujatam fame, who's wearing a suit that I have designed, and yeah, so they're all here.
And you have a great connection with Vibri. You have also designed for Talaivi. So what do you want to say about this?
I think Vishnu Induri is an absolutely dynamic and enterprising man, and his wife is no less, because she is as enterprising and as dynamic as they come. And for them to put together such fabulous events like SIMA and then produce films like Talaivi, it only takes a lot of dedication and commitment to be able to do something of this magnitude and do it so beautifully well. I mean, I'm watching SIMA and everything is about following COVID norms and being so careful about everything, socially distancing everybody, but having a good time and giving the crowd and everybody a fabulous time when when everybody wants to do and be out at events. So this is absolutely fabulous.
Ma'am, and I just got to know that you have a strong connection in Hyderabad. Can you please tell me about that?
So I am from Hyderabad and I am an ex-St. Anne'ite, Marpalli, and I think it's always a pleasure to be back here, and
Oh my
it's
god.
hometown.
Okay, it is just like a back to base actually.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Finally, a tip for all your followers and fans. A fashionable tip.
Stay happy first and foremost. Stay masked till the time you're supposed to, and be as comfortable as you can in what you wear. You can even coordinate clothes. It's all about sustainability, and for us Indian, sustainability is about reusability. So reuse your garments in different ways and have fun styling yourself.
And you can also follow ma'am for more tips. Like, we can follow our page on social media, and those pages are amazing. And thank you so much for
Right
joining
now
us
follow
today.
SIMA because they have some very interesting stuff happening.
Coming with ma'am's designs also. Thank you so much for joining us today, ma'am. Enjoy the evening. Pleasure having you here. Thank you so much, ma'am.